CRISPR technology was actually discovered in part as a result of attempts to make a better yogurt. See, food scientists were trying to figure out why some bacteria are resistant to viruses, but others are not. It's an important question for yogurt producers who would like bacteria cultures to last longer so that they can make more yogurt. They had seen an American scientist theorize that the weird little bits of DNA between the repeats were actually bits of DNA from viruses that had attacked earlier generations of the bacteria. It's as if the bacteria had been saving pieces of the attacking virus's genetic code and incorporating it into its own DNA, like a mugshot, so that if the virus ever attacked future generations of bacteria, those bacteria would be able to recognize the virus quickly and mount a defense. It's the same way that when we have antibodies that recognize an invading pathogen that we've been infected with before, they're ready to take it on. Only the bacteria's version of this defense could be passed down generation to generation. The food scientists performed an experiment to prove that these CRISPR segments were part of the immune system of single-celled organisms. And they found that by challenging the bacteria with a virus that had copies of its bits of genome stored in the bacteria's DNA, it attacked by sending out what's known as CRISPR-associated protein, in this case called Cas9, which was armed with a copy of this viral mugshot and essentially some big old scissors. So when Cas9 comes across the virus it recognizes from the mugshot, it cuts its DNA in half, like Obi-Wan cutting Darth Maul in half. And because viruses lack their own DNA repair mechanisms, much like cutting a human in half, the virus dies. For more on this and other stories making sense of public health, download HealthWanted where you get your podcasts, or stream on YouTube at WABE ATL.